ready for the next adventure. We are in the wild coast, and last night we arrived a little bit late afternoon, and we stayed at Mdumbi. Mdumbi is not so far from Coffee Bay, and we are on our way there now to explore a little bit more and hopefully visit the hole in the wall. And yeah, this morning we got up early and we had a beautiful sunrise. Check this out. So Mdumbi is a well-known surfers and divers, backpackers, and they've got some small campsites as well, and very popular. And we arrived on the Saturday afternoon. It was quite full, but yeah, if you're keen on coming here, we'll drop the details in the section below. So yeah, any questions, please comment and I'll get back to you. So, after a big miscalculation, we arrived late yesterday at Dwesa Nature Reserve in the Eastern Cape. We came from Coffee Bay. We had a visit at the hole in the wall, and the roads here are absolutely insane. We spend so much time driving through mountain passes that we never knew existed. It was really bad. And yeah, finally arrived late afternoon, set up camp and explored the area. Unfortunately, because of the timing, we don't have a lot of time left to explore even more. We do believe there is a lot of animals here to see and a very beautiful coastline. I'll drop the link in the description for this place. Unfortunately, we don't have like I said, we don't have the time, but if you ever want to visit this place, try to at least add 2 or 3 days on your trip. So this morning we got up early and we plan to head back on another very bad road, about 100 and odd kilometers of very bad corrugated and washed away roads. If you are not a fan of bugs and spiders, then you should not come here, because there's a lot of spiders in the showers, everywhere around camp. A lot of spider webs. It's very dense, it's very wet, as you can see all around me. It's very rainforesty, even though it's not a rainforest area. But yeah, it's really something special. So if you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.